Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the garment and softening the sticker adhesive so removal won't damage fibers. First, identify the fabric type and care label to know heat and solvent limits. Once done, test a drop of isopropyl on an inconspicuous seam to confirm color fastness. Then warm the sticker with a hair dryer for 20-30 seconds at medium heat to loosen glue. Make sure to keep the dryer moving and not overheat one spot. You proceed by lifting the sticker gently to avoid tearing prints or fabric. Start peeling at a low angle, easing a corner with a blunt spatula. If it resists, reheat for 10-15 seconds and try again. Once the main piece is off, apply a small amount of isopropyl to a cloth and blot adhesive residue. Press and lift rather than scrubbing to prevent spreading. Repeat warm and peel cycles and blotting until no tacky bits remain. You finish by fully cleaning and restoring the garment so it looks like new. After residue removal, launder according to the care label to remove solvent and any remaining particles. Make sure to air dry and inspect before heat drying. If stubborn glue persists, use a citrus-based adhesive remover after testing and repeat gentle blotting. If you notice color loss or damage, stop and consult a professional cleaner. A targeted fabric dye may rescue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.